The stupid birds are digging up the front yard. Let's see if you can see this. Oh, they just flew away. Man. Yeah, looks like I gotta get some new suet blocks. Oh, this is what they're doing. Look at this. Why do they do that? Can you see that? Look at them. Running around like a bunch of wild sparrows. They dig these holes. I don't know what the... And then I guess they're taking a bath, huh? Maybe, what if I set up a bird feed, not a feeder, I already got those. A bird bath. After all, it is Saturday. Yuck, 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 yuck.